Mary Ellen Romano, grade 3.
Andreas Algeir, I teach grade 1. I knew it was important because it's a big part of the early learning program, and making sure that children are comfortable and safe in environments, and then they tend to thrive.
I looked at it as what they're coming with, so what they're dealing with at home or with their own mental health, and those experiences either make them more open or make learning more difficult. Probably the big aha moment was the reflective listening, which is something that I recognized that we did the exercise with the glasses, and so we bring our own baggage into listening to our peers and listening to our administrators and listening to our students, and how sometimes I come in already with my backup with those glasses on, shut down and not ready to listen, and so I react out of frustration. And so it was good to see the videos and watch yourself, Margaret, do the example where trying to take those glasses off and trying to be, well, I hear you when you say, and then like you said, that really spoke to me when you talked about the lowering, the bringing us down, and so bringing my frustration, bringing my anxiety down, and being able to just say, okay, listen, and how can we move forward?
That it was explicit and simple, and we teach literacy and numeracy that way, and we break things down and deconstruct it, and this way we can do it with the students and say, try this, then that, and then this. So everything's sequential, and it makes it far more likely that they're willing to use it in outside settings, in the classroom, at home. I thought it was neat to see it broken down so simply, and I think the kids can really take it on. The reflective listening. Yeah. I think it's so important that the children don't acknowledge the other person has the feelings and the emotions. It's always about themselves.
Yeah.
And just as us, right? We always look at it through our perspective, and I think kids are capable of doing it, and I think they'll be successful at it.
Yeah.